Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think we were discussing about the multiple choice question or the objective type question based on chapter number 1 according to as a CBCS 2019 pattern. So as I already let's see what we are going to discuss today, the remaining multiple choice question on that particular chapter. So let us see the multiple choice question number 42. The major product of the following reaction is clearly given over here is anthracene. It will be treated with HNO3 in presence of H2SO4 and temperature also mentioned there 20 degrees centigrade. What would be the product from the following? Four optionals are given. A is this one, B this one, C is that one, and none of these. What do you think? Which one will be the correct option among these four? And as we know that at the beginning or while explaining this naphthalene, it is aromatic compound and the commonly known reaction given by that anthracene is electrophilic substitution mainly occur at 9 or 10 position, because both the position are identical. And now if you observe the option carefully, what do you see here? In A the nitro group is present at 9 position and therefore A would be the correct answer. Nitration is occur at 9 position, means electrophilic substitution reaction mainly or exclusively gives at 9 or 10 position, and therefore that is A is the correct answer. Now let us see the another reaction, another multiple choice question, that is the question number 23. The same again, the major product of the following reaction. So the reaction I am keeping as it is, only slightly changes I am making over here. You can observe carefully here, just as only this one H2SO4, that is a constant. H2SO4, as we know that it is an, what we can call it as a H2SO4 means sulfonation reaction. And just now previously I already told you that the nitration is occur at this point. Now let us see first one is option. What are the options given below? The options are given below here are first one. This is the first. Let's see here. Here is a SO3H. Sulfuric acid is group attached at not here, just here, attached at SO3H. Second would be this one, and let's see, in second case SO3 is attached at beta position. Let's see here C the I am showing the structures of anthracene, and SO3 is attached at 9 position, and D option is none of this. You can none of these. What do you think? And as I already told you that in case of the electrophilic substitution reaction, the electrophilic substitution mainly occur at 9 position. That is a general statement regarding the electrophilic substitution about the anthracene, but every rule has some exceptions, and that why that one is happened, so that also has some reason behind it why that not following according to that rule. The justification also given here. What do you think? Most of the students may be thinking about the previously during that nitration we have attached nitro group at 9 position, that will be the preferred position, but in case of the sulfonic acid, here is a H2SO4, means this is a plain sulfonation reaction, but sulfonation reaction which is occurred mainly at beta position. The reason behind it, that SO3 group, this B is the right answer. Why not A? Why the B is there and this middle one? If you look at this structure, C structure, the hydrogen atom which are present at this position, even though they are smaller in size, but it is sufficient to block that sulfonic acid attach at, because a sulfonic acid is a very big bulky group, and due to the bulky group there is a lot of steric interactions are there, and due to this steric interaction these two bodyguards are there, these two hydrogen atom are not allowing sulfonic acid at 9 position. Instead that the electrophilic substitution reaction which will be occur at beta position preferentially, and that is the reason why we are getting the sulfonation at 2 position or beta position, you can say. So this is one of the compound which we got. Let us look at the question number, multiple choice question number 44. What is that? Let's see. Question number 44. Here, the reaction, simply reaction is given. This is the structure, as we know that linearly fused structure of naphthalene, which is represented over here, and on the arrow H2 in presence of nickel, and the temperature is kept around 150 to 250 degrees centigrade, and there will be a question mark, and here A is a oxidation, B option is a formulation, and C would be the reduction, and D all of these. So what do you think, which one will be the correct answer? And if you now here product also given, not the question mark, product is given. Look at this is the product which we are getting. See, simply anthracene, H2 in presence of nickel, carbon-carbon double bond, they get converted into as a single bond, that type of the non-aromatic compound, is obtained, you just find out the correct answer from the fourth alternative are given: oxidation, formylation, reduction, all of these. What do you think? Which will be the correct answer? The correct answer, those are knowing the definition of oxidation and the reduction related to as organic chemistry. Remember, oxidation means removal of hydrogen atom is called as a oxidation, or vice versa. Reduction means addition of hydrogen atom is known as a reduction. Here the addition, carbon-carbon double bond is converted into as a single bond, means the reduction is occur, and therefore the correct answer would be this one. This is the reduction occur, and we got this. This process is known as a reduction process. Now let us see one more similar reaction over here. Just you have to recognize what is that. So here the reaction is given like this. The reaction is given. See carefully, this is a multiple choice question number 45. This is a structure of naphthalene that will be treated with. This is a structure you might be knowing. Phthalic anhydride, not phthalic, malonic anhydride, and there is given 4 plus 2 thermally occurred. It is given, and product also given over here. The product will be this one. Is a product given. You can see clearly. Product is given over here. Let me make the correction over here. This is one ring, another ring. This is one more ring, and here C double bond O, C double bond O, oxygen, and this type of the adduct, malic anhydride adduct is given. Malic anhydride, malic anhydride adduct is given. Adduct means product. Adduct means product is given, and the options are like this. A option is a Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. B, Woods reaction. Woods reaction. C, fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction. Reaction. And D, Haworth reaction. Haworth reaction. Haworth reaction. So now, as we know that this is one of the famous reaction. Name also is provided you. It's very easy. Those are studying this descriptive part. If they remember, they can easily recognize. Woods reaction, as we know that this is the reaction where we can get the higher alkane starting from the lower alkyl halides. And Haworth reaction, as we know that it is synthesis used for the synthesis of naphthalene as well as anthracene, as we know that. But here anthracene is already given, and this is a phthalic anhydride 4+2. Thermally, that we know that it is a very famous reaction in a pericyclic reaction. It is a Diels-Alder reaction. 4n plus 2 pi electron is called as a Diels-Alder reaction, and A will be the correct answer for this. Now let us move on to the next one. Which of the following organic compounds are aromatic in nature? Let's see here the question number 26. Let us see question number 26. Which of the following organic compounds? Which of the following organic compounds are aromatic in nature? Are aromatic in nature. Aromatic in nature. Let's see here. A have options: naphthalene, B has anthracene, and C has phenanthrene, and D is all of these. Remember, we know that the aromaticity of the organic compound, those obeying Huckel's rule. And here naphthalene, as we know that the structure of naphthalene will be this one: alternative carbon-carbon double bond, fully conjugated and planar structure is known as a naphthalene. As we know that this is aromatic in nature. Anthracene, let's see the structure of anthracene would be this one. This also fulfilling all the criteria of the aromaticity, fully conjugated, planar than the cyclic system, containing 4n plus 2 pi electron is known as aromatic compound. So this is also lead to be the aromatic compound of phenanthrene. The structure of phenanthrene would be this one. Let us see alternative double bonds like this. Here in this case also phenanthrene, even though it is a angularly fused compound, but it shows aromatic character because it fulfilling all the necessary requirement of aromaticity, and therefore all these compounds are aromatic in nature. The correct option will be this one, all of this. This is the correct option for this question. Now let us move on to the next. What is the action of potassium permanganate on anthracene? Let us see over here the question number 47 now. Question number 47. What is the action of potassium permanganate KMnO4 on anthracene? That is question mark. What is the action of potassium permanganate on anthracene? Options are given here. A would be quinone. B, hydroquinone. B would be hydroquinone, and C would be anthraquinone or 19 anthraquinone. And the D would be all of these. D would be all of these. Now, once again, what is the action of potassium permanganate on anthracene? We know that potassium permanganate, it is an oxidizing agent which will oxidize, means there is a removal of hydrogen atom or addition of oxygen atom, are known as a oxidation reaction. Here specifically given what is the action of potassium permanganate on anthracene. Let's see the structure of quinone. The structure of quinone will be this one. This is a structure of quinone. If you remember the structure of hydroquinone, will be this one, OH and OH. This is a non-aromatic compound, this is an aromatic compound. Hydroquinone is an aromatic compound. And now 9,10-hydroquinone, the structure of 9,10-hydroquinone will be this one, and it is written here like this. This is a structure of 9,10. Look at, do you remember the numbering system in quinone, in anthracene? Yes, the numbering. You can start from here, usual way of numbering. On this side 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 9 and this is a 10. That is a usual way or traditional way of numbering system in anthracene. And at 9 and 10 position, carbonyl groups are present, and therefore the right answer of this question is this one, 9,10 anthraquinone. So let us move on to the next questions, that is the question number 48 now. Question number 48. Let's see here. Question number 48. What is it? Anthracene is dash dash in nature. Anthracene is dash dash in nature. Anthracene is a dash dash in nature. Options are given. A is a non-aromatic. The non-aromatic. B is a basic in nature. Anthracene, non-aromatic in nature. Aromatic in nature. C is both A and B. And C only A. So what do you think? Which one? What do you think? Here, anthracene is dash dash in nature. Anthracene, non-aromatic, we know that it is a aromatic in nature, and therefore the right answer would be B. Anthracene is this in nature. Now let us move on to the next, which is multiple choice number 50. How many number of benzene rings? How many number of benzene rings linearly fused, benzene rings linearly fused. How many number of benzene rings linearly fused to get anthracene? How many number of benzene rings linearly fused to get anthracene? So options are given: 1, 2, B is A, B. C would be 3 and D is a 4. So if you remember here the structure of anthracene, you can able to find out the correct answer. Look at one benzene ring. This is one benzene ring, another benzene ring, and this 1, 2, 3. 3 benzene rings are involved in the anthracene, and therefore she would be the correct answer for this. Now let us move on to the next one. Anthracene undergoes electrophilic substitution mainly at question number 51. Question number 51. Let's see. 51. Anthracene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction mainly at dash position. Options are given: A 7, B 8, C 9, and D 10. What do you think? We mainly describe during the electrophilic substitution reaction. This is a structure of anthracene, and numbering system always followed in anthracene are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Generally, electrophilic substitution occur at 9 and 10 position because these two positions are identical, and therefore the electrophilic substitution mainly occur at 9 and 10 position, and therefore this 9, sorry, here is a 9, 9 and here 11 you can call, because 9 and 10 position are identical. So therefore, the electrophilic substitution reaction will be occur at 9 position. So I think with this, let us stop today here. Remaining we will discuss in our next lectures. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.